Hello, children. I am Benjamin Franklin, and I found the meaning of electricity. And I have a deformity because my mouth is way too big for my body. Oh my god. Yeah, well, I was flying a kite one day, and then I was like, oh, it's a thunderstorm. Maybe I should just go flying it like a stupid idiot I am. So I was flying it. And I was flying it, and well, lightning struck me, and I was like, no, no, not today. No, I'm gonna see the light too early. Oh, I'm too young to die. And then I realized I was like 56, they were like 80 years old, and I have no idea how old I am. And then I was like, oh, actually, I am old today. I've had a pretty good life so far. And then it hit me. I can actually metal conducts electricity. And all you dimwits didn't know that, you're stupid. Yep, this is my deformity. Goodbye.